If cracking CAT feels like climbing Everest, you are not alone. But here's the good news, knowing the exact percentiles and the section demands for the IIMs changes everything. IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Kozhikode, the dream destinations for every MBA aspirant. In this video, we will decode the exact CAT score and percentile you need for each of these top IIMs, including sectional cutoffs, realistic score targets, and a clear plan to reach them. By the end of this video, you will know what percentile you really need for IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, and Kozhikode, and how that translates into scaled scores, why cutoffs keep changing every year, and how you can practically plan your preparation to get that golden interview call. So let's begin your roadmap to the old IIMs. Let's start with the numbers because knowing your target is half the battle won. For IIM Ahmedabad, the qualifying percentile just to be eligible is around 95 percentile, but realistically to get a shortlist call, you will need 99.5 percentile or above, which means a scale score of roughly 105 to 108 plus. And you don't forget, you will need at least 85 percentile in each section. For IIM Bangalore, the qualifying percentile is around 85 percentile, but to actually receive an interview call, aim for 99 percentile or higher. A scale score of about 98 to 105 plus. Section wise, keep VRC above 80, DLR and quantitative around 75. For IIM Kolkata has a similar numbers, qualifying cutoffs near 85 percentile, but actual calls start coming from 99 percentile and above. Sectional cutoffs, VRC and DILR around 80 and quantitative ability near 75 percentile. For IIM Lucknow, the qualifying percentile is 90 and shortlist usually happens for those above 98 percentile. Target a scale score of 95 to 105 and maintain about 85 percentile in each section. Moving to IIM Indore, qualifying cutoff stands near 90 percentile, but calls are realistic for 97 to 99 percentile with a scale score around 92 to 105. Finally, IIM Kozhikode qualifying cutoff is 85 percentile, but the real selection starts around 97 to 99 percentile, scale score is 95 to 105 and sectionals close to 75 percentile each. So in short, if you dream IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore or Kolkata, you should be chasing that 99 plus percentile mark. For the rest, 97 to 99 percentile can realistically bring in calls. Percentiles are just the headline. What matters is the scale score you need to get there. Here's an approximate mapping to help you a plan. That is 127 plus scale score is around 99.9 plus percentile. Then the scale score ranges in between 110 to 120. For that, it is 99.7 to 99.9 percentile. If your scale score ranges in between 94 to 103, for that there is the range of percentile, that is 99 to 99.5 percentile. If your scale score ranges in between 85 to 93, for that 97 to 98 percentile. If it is in between 72 to 84, 90 to 95 percentile, and 60 to 71, for that there is 85 to 89 percentile. So when you take mocks, don't just chase a good percentile, set a scale score target, something you can actually measure and work toward. Here's where the most MBA aspirants stumble, the sectional cutoffs. You might clear the overall cutoff, but if one section drops below the threshold, you are out of the shortlist race. Typical sectional qualifying percentiles look like this. Like for IIM Ahmedabad, it is 85 in all the three sections. For IIM Bangalore, 80 and 75 in the VRC and DLR, 80 in the cons. For IIM Kolkata, it is 80, 75. IIM Lucknow, 85 for all the three sections. IIM Indore, 80 and IIM Kozhikode, 75 percentile. So make sure you balance all three sections. If quantitative ability is your strength but VRC your weakness, devote targeted daily practice to VRC. Remember, one low section can cancel out your whole hard work everywhere else. Then cutoffs changes every year because they aren't fixed, they move, they depend on the difficulty of the paper, the number of the applicants, the seats available and even the academic diversity goals of each IIM. So don't panic when you see fluctuating numbers, focus on hitting your personal best consistently across mocks. Here's something important, how this year's admission cycle IIM Ahmedabad has raised its qualifying cutoffs. For the general and EWS categories, you will need at least 95 overall percentile and 85 in each section. For NCOBC, 90 overall and 80 per section. For SC, overall it is 85 and 75 per section. And for ST category, 75 overall and 65 per section. So if you are aiming for IIM Ahmedabad, you will need a sharper accuracy and a strong sectional strategy. No compromises are over there. Now let's talk about how to actually get there, because numbers don't win, consistency does. So step 1 is set section wise goal. Instead of saying I want 99 percentile, say I will hit 40 marks in VRC, 36 in DILR and 38 in quantitative ability. That clarity builds confidence. Then step 2 is take mocks like they are the real deal. Sit for full length test under time conditions. After every mock, analyze which questions took too long, where did I lose marks, what's my accuracy section wise. Then don't just take mocks, learn from them. Then step 3 is focus on accuracy. Solving fewer questions correctly is better than rushing through many. Selective accuracy wins in CAT, not the blind speed. Then 4th is work on your profile. IIMs look at more than just CAT score. Your academics, work experience and diversity play a role. Keep building your profile as you prepare. Then step 5 is start VAT and personal interview preparation early. Once your CAT is done, the real game starts. Practice essay writing, mock interviews and prepare your personal story using examples from your life and work. Your CAT score opens the door. Your personal interview performance gets you inside. And step 6 is track your progress weekly. Use score trackers on your own Excel sheet. Then note how your scaled scores move over time. Small progress compounds into a massive jump. And remember, burnout is real. Take short breaks when needed, but come back sharper. Now let's clear a few quick questions students ask all the time. What CAT percentile is needed for Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad? So around 99.5 plus percentile are needed, or a scale score of ranging in between 105 to 108 or more than that is needed. For IIM Bangalore, around 99 percentile with strong sectional balance. Then for IIM Lucknow, Indore, Kozhikode, the score ranges in between 97 to 99 percentile. Then the next question is, do sectionals really matter? So absolutely yes, you can't skip them. All must be cleared individually. So here's the truth, the difference between an aspirant who cracks IIM and one who don't crack the IIMs, it is not just about the intelligence, it is about the consistency. You know how the exact targets are, the percentile, the score range and the sectionals. Now it's your turn to execute. So take a deep breath, believe in your plan and go hit that above 99 percentile mark. If you want, I will create follow-up videos on mock analysis templates, then your CAT preparation roadmaps and VAT PI stories. Just drop a comment below with what you want next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and let me know in the comments which IIM are you planning for. Thank you for watching the video.